Adobe's Creative Cloud is packed with powerful software, each designed to help you create, edit, and transform your ideas into something amazing. But with so many options, which program does what? Let's break down all the key Adobe tools and what each one is best at. First up, Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop is the go-to tool for photo editing and digital artwork. Whether you're touching up photos, creating digital paintings, or designing graphics, Photoshop provides all the tools for image manipulation and retouching. It's incredibly versatile for everything from photo filters to complex compositions. Next is Adobe Illustrator. Illustrator is all about vector graphics, which are ideal for logos, icons, and illustrations that need to scale without losing quality. Think of it like creating artwork with mathematical precision. If you're designing anything that might need to be resized like logos or graphics for branding, Illustrator is your best choice. Then, there's Adobe InDesign. InDesign is perfect for layouts. It's widely used for magazines, brochures, ebooks, and any design project with multiple pages. With InDesign, you can easily handle text and images, making it ideal for publications and print design. Now, if you're working with video, Adobe Premiere Pro is the go-to editing software. Premiere Pro is ideal for video production, from quick edits to full-length films. It's packed with powerful tools like transitions, color correction, and multi-camera editing. Perfect for YouTube videos, social media clips, or professional films. Need animations or special effects? Adobe After Effects is where the magic happens. This software is built for motion graphics and visual effects, giving you tools to create everything from animated text to full-blown CGI effects. It's often used alongside Premiere Pro to add that extra flair to videos. Adobe XD is Adobe's UX or UI design tool. It's built for designing websites, apps, and interfaces. XD lets you create interactive prototypes, wireframes, and layouts to see exactly how your digital designs will work in real life. Adobe Lightroom is focused on photo editing and management. It's similar to Photoshop, but Lightroom is specifically tailored for photographers. It allows you to adjust colors, lighting, and organize large photo libraries easily. If you work with batches of photos, Lightroom is a must-have. For audio editing, Adobe Audition is the tool you need. Audition lets you record, edit, and enhance audio with professional quality results. It's great for everything from podcasts to adding sound effects or cleaning up audio for videos. Adobe Animate, formerly known as Flash, is geared toward 2D animation and interactive content. You can use it to create animations, interactive websites, and even simple games. If you're looking to bring 2D characters or web elements to life, Animate is your tool. Adobe Spark is an easy, beginner-friendly tool for creating social media graphics, web pages, and short videos. It's perfect for non-designers or anyone needing quick, professional-looking content for social media or presentations. Adobe Dimension is made for 3D design. It's a tool for creating realistic product mock-ups and scenes. Dimension allows you to combine 2D and 3D assets, which is great for product visualization and branding concepts. Adobe Character Animator lets you animate 2D characters in real time. With a webcam and microphone, Character Animator uses facial recognition to sync your movements with a digital character, making it popular for quick animations and live streaming. Adobe Acrobat Pro is all about PDFs. It lets you create, edit, and sign PDFs with ease. It's widely used in business settings for document management and ensures that your files look the same across different devices. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.